Friends, so I'm back with new video on latest Gulf jobs today, and I have also covered the job posting for which the interviews will take place in first week of August. So this requirement is for Qatar. Final client interviews will be on 30th of July at Kerala. You can see the salary range is given for each position, and the food allowance of 300 Qatari Riyal is almost same for all the positions. Apart from that, accommodation will be provided by company. So 8 hours duty plus OT and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Dubai and Saudi. This position is safety inspector and the salary will be 3000 to 3500 Saudi Riyal or dirham. And 8 hours duty, free accommodation, transportation and other facilities as per labor law. This is for Saudi, again safety officer. I think this is the same position. Next is for Saudi Arabia, Dolphin Business Center. Direct line interviews will be on 29th of July at Trichy. Most of the positions are related to firefighting. So those who have relevant experience in the same field can apply. This is also 8 hours duty, OT and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi, and the position are livestock foreman, farm maintenance specialist, workshop foreman or supervisor, unit manager, team manager. So for unit manager, the salary is going to be 6,400 Saudi Riyal. For team manager, 5,400 Riyal. And for other position, between 3,800 to 4,500. 5 to 7 years of experience in water treatment, feed mills, HVAC electronics, poultry, house ventilation, etc. is required. And there will be an online interview. Next is for Saudi again, and this is completely free recruitment. And they are hiring for pollution control supervisor. Salary is going to be 6,000 Saudi Riyal. Pollution control technician 3,500. Driver 3,500. And heavy equipment driver is 1,800 Saudi Riyal. Minimum 5 to 8 years of experience in relevant field is preferable. Must have a diploma in relevant field for technical positions. Next is for Oman, and the client interviews in Mumbai will be on 31st of July. And you can see the positions are AC technician, carpenter, ductman, electrician, insulator, mason, plumber, scaffolder, steel worker, and general worker. So you can see the positions are in bulk. So the maximum 570 positions are there for worker. Must have 2 to 5 years of experience in the same field. Candidate with Indian experience can apply. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. So those who don't have Gulf experience can also apply. Next is for branch manager qualification, MBA, MCOM experience, minimum 5 to 8 years in the banking field and money exchange related work. So you can send your document for shortlisting, and you can call them if you have any further queries. Next is for Saudi, and they are hiring for catering supervisors with BSc, DHM, hotel management with 4 plus years of experience in industrial catering. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Shortlisting in progress, so you can send your document. Next is for project manager for Saudi location, onshore rig project. 10 to 15 years of experience is required. CV shortlisting in process, and attractive salary plus free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Nuria Enterprises for Saudi, and the positions are project control department engineer, planning engineer, estimation engineer, mechanical engineer, safety officer, document controller or assistant admin, and rigger level 3. So Aramco experience is required for most of these positions, so keep that in mind. Next is for the position of sales manager, Bachelor of Engineering or MBA, 12 plus years of experience, and that 5 years experience in sales of steel tubes, merchant bar production, in Oman and Gulf countries is required. Next is for Saudi. This is also free recruitment, and final client interviews will be shortly. At 2+ years of experience in oil and gas in India or abroad is preferable. Fabricator, pipe or structural. Number of positions are 120. So there are bulk openings. Welder 75 openings. Excellent salary, overtime, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi oil and gas shutdown project. Online interviews is in progress, and this is also free recruitment. Chemical technicians 50 number of openings. Diploma in chemical engineering or BSc chemistry, any degree, diploma, ITI, 1+years of experience in chemical cleaning, oil and gas as technician. Excellent salary plus OT, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for a shutdown project, those who are looking for a short term jobs. So this is the opportunity for them. Duration will be 2 months. Final client interview shortly at Chennai and Cochin. You can see the positions. OT, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided. 2+ years of experience in oil and gas is preferable. Next is for Saudi online interview in is in progress. Free recruitment for a long term job, and the requirement for planner, static, material, E&I. BE 4+years of experience, well versed in FA. Next is for this is for nursing jobs, medical centers in Saudi Arabia. Salary will be 4,500 Saudi Riyal plus food. So nursing degree is required, 4 years of experience, minimum 3 years experience in ICU or AR is must. Next is for UAE, online client interview is in progress. Design engineer, production supervisor, electrical engineer, laser cutting machine operator, CNC lathe machine operator, welder, technician, automotive, technical helper, automotive. Excellent salary, overtime, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi again mechanical QA/QC inspector, electrical QA/QC inspector, planning engineer, mechanical site engineer, electrical site engineer. Online interview will be there for this position. You can see the salary range is given for all the positions, and plus 300 is given for food, I guess. Next is for Dubai electromechanical company. Client interviews will be on 28 of July. Document shortlisting in process, so you can send your document for shortlisting, and the available positions are lift technician, assistant lift technicians, foreman lift, supervisor lift. 8 hours duty, OT, age will be 22 to 42 years. Next is for Turkey, you can say, general workers for chicken factory, salary 65,000 Indian rupees. Food accommodation will be provided. Working hours will be 9 hours, 6 days a week. Easy process, flight in 60 working days. So they have given the list of documents required for shortlisting. You can send these documents on given email ID. And if you have any query or doubt, you can contact on the given number. Next is for Saudi. This is an urgent requirement. Electrical protection engineer. Be electrical with 3 years of experience in protection relays is required. Gulf experience will be preferred. Next is for graphic designer and operator printer machine. So those who are looking for graphic designer job in Kuwait can apply, and for graphic designer salary is going to be between 55,000 to 83,000 Indian rupees onwards, plus overtime will be provided. Accommodation, medical facilities will be provided by company. Minimum 5 years of experience in their field is required. Next is for Qatar, client interviews will be on 30th of July, and all categories should have experience in maintenance. You can see the positions. Next is for Oman, client interviews in Chennai will be in on August first week. Most of the positions are for welders, 6G welder, SS, CS, pipe fabricator, pipe fitter, structural fabricator, and vessel fabricator. Next is for Saudi, client interviews will be on 2nd August, and you can see the positions: permit